Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Pocket, Polar Pattern, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. We finalize this 3D solid part in 3 steps. In step 1, we sketch the profile of position 1 on XY plane and create a solid part with the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XY plane. First, sketch the 3 circles with the radius of 25, 30, and 37.5 millimeters at the origin. Next, convert the circle with the radius of 37.5 millimeters to construction curve. Now, sketch 3 construction lines between the origin and the construction curve. The angle between them is 120 degrees. Next, sketch the small circles with a radius of 5 and 8 millimeters at the end of the construction line. Now, sketch 2 lines with 15 degrees to the horizontal axis and then constrain them tangential to the bigger circle. Let us trim unnecessary edges and curves. Now, we add fillets with a radius of 8 millimeters between the lines and the circle. Select both fillets and then constrain them equal. Next, assign the dimension. Now copy the circle curves, the tangential lines, and the fillet with the Polar Pattern tool. Select the circle curves, the tangential lines, and the fillets, and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. Set the copies to 2 times and activate the equal distance option. Set the angle to -240 degrees. Now, remove unnecessary edges or curves and then constrain the intersection points. Next, assign the missing dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the outer sketch and then activate the Extrude tool. In the dialog window, activate the option Symmetric and extrude it by 20 mm. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 2, we sketch the cutout profile and then we remove material from the created solid part with the pocket tool. Activate the sketch tool and then select again the XY plane. First, sketch roughly the shape of the cutout profile with the polyline tool and constrain it later. Constrain the line to vertical. Set the angle between the lines and the horizontal axis to 45 degrees. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the pocket tool and then select the option Symmetric and set the length to 10 mm. In step 3, we add fillets with a radius of 5 mm to the pocket edges and then copy the cutout with the polar pattern tool. As you see, there is issue with 5 mm radius value, but it works with a value of 4.99 mm. Now copy the cutout with the polar pattern tool. Select the pocket and the fillet and then activate the polar pattern tool. Now select the z-axis in which the feature be transformed and set the occurrences to 3. Click OK to apply or to confirm. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.